Hi, hello, welcome to my channel, The AEG's Pressure Cooker. In today's video, I'm going to share you two healthy and easy recipes which require very less ingredients but taste very delicious. First recipe I'm going to share you is Rajma curry, which involves a secret ingredient I'm going to share with you all. And the second recipe is our coconut naan. I think during this lockdown, what we all miss is having good food at the restaurant, and especially the crunchy, soft, and delicious naan. Here I have come with an idea which is equally delicious and healthy, that is coconut naan. Let's get into the recipe. For Rajma curry, into a pan add 1 tablespoon of oil and add chopped onions of 1 cup. The onions I have taken is almost like 2 medium sized onions finely chopped into small pieces. Now add 3 to 4 green chilies and saute it for some time and let it cook till it becomes brown. Now into a blender add 2 to 3 tomatoes and blend them into smooth paste. After it gets blended into smooth paste, keep aside. Now into the same blender add 5 to 6 cashews and blend them into smooth paste. When onions turn into little brown, add tomato paste which I have blended previously. Mix well and let it cook on low to medium flame. Cover and cook so that it cooks little fast. Now after the onion and tomato mixture has come together, now all the water from the onion and tomato paste gets evaporated. Now to this mixture, add cooked rajma beans. Here I have washed and soaked rajma beans overnight. I have pressure cooked rajma beans till 7 to 8 whistles on medium flame. The rajma beans should be really soft so that you could enjoy each and every bean when you eat them. Now for that extra taste I have added boiled potatoes. I have peeled the potatoes and chopped them into cubes. So mix them well and cover and cook on low to medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Rajma beans are rich in protein, is filling for longer time. People who are in their weight loss journey can always take rajma in their diet. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix well. Here is a secret ingredient which I am telling you all, that is 1 cup of freshly extracted coconut milk. Add half a cup of cashew paste also. In this video, I am also going to share you how to extract coconut milk and how to prepare coconut naan. So stay tuned. In meanwhile, mix well, and when all the coconut milk has mixed well, add about 1 cup of water. Here you could take only coconut milk of 2 cups and make it into gravy like consistency, or you can add 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of water also. Cover and cook the rajma curry on low to medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. When the water has evaporated and the curry has come together, add about half teaspoon of freshly ground ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala for that extra flavors. Cover and cook for some more time so that all the flavor from the garam masala get absorbed into the curry. Add about handful of chopped coriander leaves. And yes, our tasty and delicious rajma potato curry is ready. This rajma potato curry tastes good with roti, chapati, naan and even jeera rice also. Now I am going to show you an interesting healthy dish, that is coconut naan. You all must be wondering how naans are made using coconut. Let's get into the video and know how naans are made easily, and it's a healthy choice instead of all-purpose flour. For coconut naan, I have taken one medium-sized coconut. Remove the water from the coconut. Separate the coconut from the shell. Cut the coconut pieces into small ones so that it can be blended easily. Transfer them to a blender or a mixer grinder. Do not add water at this stage and grind it really well to a smooth paste. Now take a bowl, put a clean cotton cloth on the bowl and add the grounded coconut mixture into the cloth. Hold the corners of the cloth and twist and squeeze the cotton cloth as much as possible and separate the coconut milk from the coconut mixture. Repeat this procedure as many number of times and use your energy to extract the coconut milk from the coconut mixture. Now put the remaining coconut mixture into a grinder and add 1/4 cup of water and blend it into smooth paste. Add this coconut mixture into the cotton cloth and squeeze it again. The milk which we get at this point of time is little thin when compared to previous milk we have extracted. Coconut milk is high in calories and saturated fats, which keeps us fuller for longer time. It also contains many other nutrients like manganese and potassium, which is very good for our health. Now the coconut mixture which we got from the extraction of coconut milk is sun dried or fan dried till 2 hours till it becomes dry. Hence our coconut milk is ready. This is thin coconut milk which we can use during curry preparation. The coconut milk can also be stored and kept in refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. Now our coconut powder, that is desiccated coconut, is ready. This coconut flour or coconut powder can be stored in an aerated container or jar for 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. This coconut powder can be used while making fry, curries, or in preparation of sambar or any desserts. Now coming to the recipe of coconut naan, we need binding agent. For this binding agent, we have soaked 1 cup of tapioca or sago till it gets immersed into water. Now after 1 hour, if you see, the tapioca are completely soaked in water and they become transparent. Blend this tapioca or sago into smooth paste without adding any water. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. Now add 1 cup of coconut flour or coconut powder which we have extracted previously. Now mix it properly and add about 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. The consistency of the batter should be like dosa consistency, that is like free fall consistency, so that it spreads evenly when placed on the pan. Heat the pan on low to medium flame and grease it. Now take ladle full of batter and place it on the pan. Do not spread it, it spreads by itself. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip and cook on the other side also. Hence our coconut naan is ready. Now prepare similar coconut naans with the remaining batter also. Here the coconut naans need not to be spread like dosas, it gets spread by itself. If you see, our tasty and delicious coconut naans are ready, and these coconut naans taste good with any curry. Here I have combined them with rajma and potato curry. I hope you like these two recipes. If you do like these two recipes, give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Also do share your recipe pictures in the Instagram, which will be linked in the description box below. Please do check it out. The measurements of the recipe also are provided in the description box below. If you are here for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and always click on bell icon so that you could receive any notification whenever we post any new video. Please do like this video and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.